Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5085516, because of these error codes. So if you're receiving these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update, and over here you can see pause update option. Hit pause. Once it is paused, now click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness in the list. At the top somewhere you will find app readiness. Make a double click, again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now once done, you can go back, and if you see retry option, you can hit retry and then check. Still not working, then run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. In my case, it's already done. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now again, this will take some time, and once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5085516, and then click on search. Now first of all, check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. In my case, the version is 25H2. So check your version and then check your system type. So go to Windows settings, go to system, scroll down and go to about option. And over here you can see system type. In my case, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. Click on download. And if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x65, Windows 11 version 24H2 x65, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download. Once you click on download, over here you will see your update. Let me click on download once again. In my case, it's not loading. So over here you can see it's loading now. KB5085516, click on it and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now. And then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. And once the download is complete, click on finish option over here. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, you can go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.